Hey guys, we're live at 3:55 to run this Larry Bird, Julius Erving, Magic Johnson rookie, EZG 7.5, 10 spots. Copy and paste the list. Dice roll 5 or more. Snake eyes, definitely not going to do. 7 times. Here we go. After 1, Sess top, Vincent bottom. 2, Vincent top, Ray bottom. 3, Vincent top, Sess bottom. 4, Vincent top, Sess bottom. 5, Sess top, Vincent bottom. After 6, Vincent top, Sess bottom. Rolls a 7. 7th and final, good luck. Spot 8, Vincent, congrats. Verification code 355. I'll be 56 shortly. 56.